sometimes some of the coolest things you see are also some of the most well-used and well-loved things you see. This is a pretty rare one. It's a 2015 HD3500 with the Duramax. We'll get to the box in a moment. Obviously it's missing one, but what makes this truck here really, really special is this little sticker here. This truck rolled 1 million kilometers and some. It is currently at 71,000 and change, because the odometers actually stop at a million and they just kind of freeze. So that's where they had to go and get a third party to change that out. The truck has never been undercoated. It's never had anything preventative really done. It's just been driven since day one. So there is a pretty good crease here. That would be a deer running into the side of the vehicle, to which ended up into the dually, as you could imagine. And then approximately 1 week later, another deer into the other side of the dually. So what do you do when you get your box taken out by 2 deer in 1 week? You upgrade. So that's what he did. He upgraded. Obviously this truck is just pure work truck. I cannot believe how clean it is, how original. You can see the frame is in excellent condition. This thing never been undercoated. Bought, driven, never modified. An original GM work truck. Absolutely incredible. The dealership asked me to make a video on it, so I'm out here doing my thing, and it's pretty fun to be able to share this kind of stuff with you guys.